Welcome back to 7-minute options. Let's take a look at some of the positions that we've had open for a while. If you guys recall, back several episodes ago, we opened a position in X, that's US Steel. We sold the 22 put. Right now, we've had this position on for 9 days. It has 22 days to go. And right now, we are coming up on the Memorial Day weekend, so I'm probably going to roll this next week, right? When the market opens up on Tuesday of next week, we are probably gonna have something like 17 or 18 days left before expiration, which is my ideal time to roll. Right now, since we sold it, you can see this is where we sold it. This is the expiration at the moment. It was kind of just going sideways, which is perfectly fine if it's going sideways above our short strike. And it had a big jump up today, which really helps us out. So yeah, the volatility has gone down a little bit, which also helps. So this position is doing great. If I look at the snapshot on it, we got $63 in credit. And over the last 9 days, we've actually moved $32 in our favor. So I could buy this back for $30 right now. And so the question I have is, okay, that's 50%. That's pretty good. Do I want to close it out for $31 and keep 50%, or do I want to keep it longer? I like which way it's headed. I like the general upward trend. I'm actually going to hold this. That was a big move up. So I think next week on Tuesday, when this is going to be 18 days left to go, I'm going to roll it. And I'm going to see if I can pick up another $50, $60 worth of credit to kick this 30 more days down the road by moving this put from the June to the July expiration. All right, let's check out FUBO. If you guys recall FUBO, we bought 100 shares, we sold the covered call on it, and we also sold the 17 put to lower our cost basis. So this one, we bought 100 shares, and it was $20 at the time. I mean, that's fantastic. We got $86 for selling the 25 call. We got $83 for selling the 17.5 put. So we've already collected $169 in cash against the 100 shares. We do have to maintain a pretty high buying power here to maintain that naked put and actually the overall position. And so what I'm going to do is next week, when this goes down to 17 or 18 days, I'm going to roll this. I'm going to roll both the 17 put and the 25 call. I'm actually going to roll the 17 put higher. I'm going to try to roll that up to maybe 18, 19 or 20 bucks. And I'm going to try to roll this out to like 26 or 27 to give me a little bit more room to run. So I'm going to, collect some more premium next week and kick this position down the road for another month. All right, we'll see how that works out. That's it. Thanks very much.